client application sends a request, intending to interact with a modern microservice. This request is formatted using clean, contemporary data standards. The modern microservice receives the client's clean request. It identifies a need for data from an older, legacy system to fulfill this request. The anti-corruption layer, ACL, intercepts the modern service's clean request. It then translates this request into the outdated and often complex data formats expected by the legacy monolith. The legacy monolith receives the request in its expected messy format. It begins to process the request using its existing older logic and data structures. Within the legacy system, data is retrieved and processed. This data is in its raw, messy state, reflecting the technical debt of the older system, preventing pollution. After processing, the legacy monolith generates a response. This response is still in its original, messy legacy format, unsuitable for direct use by the modern service. The ACL meticulously translates the messy legacy response into the clean, well-defined data formats that the modern microservice expects. This is where anti-corruption happens. The newly translated clean response is now forwarded from the ACL to the waiting modern microservice, ensuring its code remains elegant and maintainable. Finally, the modern microservice sends the processed clean response back to the client application, completing the request cycle seamlessly. The client remains unaware of legacy complexity.